In this session, we will take a closer look at the PCB panel. Similar to the navigator panel in the schematic, the PCB panel serves as a valuable tool for searching, finding, and jumping to various objects associated with the PCB. It simplifies tasks such as locating components, tracing signal paths, and accessing various design-related items, including 3D views. Open the PCB panel by selecting the panel's button in the lower right corner, and then selecting PCB. The PCB panel has 6 areas. The panel mode, filter option, object classes, objects, primitives, panel mini viewer. You can choose from 3 options: mask, dim, or normal. Set the filter options as shown. Ensure all options are activated as shown in our example. Now, if we are to search for specific objects, the objects will be selected, the view will zoom to the objects. Anything else that was previously selected will be cleared from the selection, and all unselected objects will be masked for easy visibility. Now let's have a look at searching for nets and components. Select Component Mode from the Panel Mode drop-down list. Select the class, All Components. Select the component you want in the objects. This part will now be shown in the view matching our criteria to select, zoom, and highlight. Select Nets from the Panel Mode drop-down list. Select the class, All Nets. Select the Net 5V in the Objects list to jump and highlight the net. Press the button Clear or press Shift+C to remove the masking and selection. We have explored the different sections of the PCB panel and examined how to search for nets and components.